In today's video, let me walk you through the process of creating a playlist on YouTube Music. If you're trying to organize your favorite music into different categories or depending upon different mood or activities, let me show you the way that you can exactly create playlists. Now, once you're inside of the YouTube Music platform, you'll be able to see the option called New Playlist on the left hand side. You just need to click on this option and you'll be able to create a title and a description of your playlist. So you can name this whatever you want, and you can also choose to make it public, unlisted, or private. So depending upon what you need. And also you can collaborate with other people, meaning whenever you collaborate with other people, that other people can also add in music to those songs. So if you have friends that you want to collaborate with so that they can also add in music, this is going to be a great way. But if you want to add in the collaborator, you need to make it public. So once you're done with everything, you can click on the create option and your playlist now has been created. Now, as soon as your playlist has been created, on the right hand side, it's going to give you a bunch of suggestions where you can add in these musics to your playlist. As soon as you click on this icon on the right hand side, this song will be added to your playlist that you just created. Now, apart from this, if you head over to the home section, you'll be able to see a bunch of songs that are already available or are suggested to you. You can just head over to a particular music, and right here you'll see the option called Save to Playlist. Select the playlist that you want to add to, and the song will be immediately added to the playlist as well. You can repeat this process by heading over to different albums as well, and then repeating the same process. You can also head over to the library section, and through the library section, you're going to see all of the playlists that you've created. If you want to create more playlists as well, you can repeat the same process by clicking on new playlist and adding in different names or adding in collaborators as well. So that's all it takes to create a playlist in YouTube Music. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.